Man, these 20 years have been a real pain in my back. I think I'll go for a swim. Whew, that feels good. Oh wait, I hate water. Ha! Yeah, this is a pretty cool pose, isn't it, guys? I should take a pic of this and upload it to my Facebook. Yeah, that's right. I'm doing those kind of jokes now. Never thought you'd see the day, would you? Sure are a lot of empty seats here. Sega's budget must have been in pretty deep shit if they couldn't add people to these seats. Pitiful. Wait, what's that? Oh, God. Thought I was hearing things for a second. Man, I could have sworn that I heard. Oh, God, I'm in the water tank. God damn it! Ah, okay. There. Oh. Oh, God. A water bubble popping out of my mouth
Hey,
now.
buddy, why are you blowing bubbles?
Oh,
I'm
man.
the hotel manager, and if you need anything, just call me because you know I'm
okay.
awesome.
I
By
think I
the way,
need to see a
how's your
doctor.
chow doing? Isn't
Yeah,
it
yeah,
just
he's
adorable?
fine.
Your chow is so
you
fucking
shut up
cute.
and
I could just
contact the
stare at it and
doctor?
talk to it all day
Jesus
long
Christ.
because it's so adorable.
Oh, God, what now?
And I'm
God.
also
No.
totally awesome, even though I'm kind of fatty. But who cares? Because I'm so cute and everything like that. And my mom likes to pinch my cheeks. My name is RJ Banter. Hey, you're ignoring me. You're ignoring me!
And then he went to Hedgehog Heaven.